Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality ki Renuka Ray. She was born on 4th of January 1903 in Calcutta, Bengal Presidency of British India. She completed her basic education in Calcutta and then went to the London School of Economics. She was the supporter of the women's rights movement. She was a legal secretary to the All India Women's Conference. She was elected to Constituent Assembly from West Bengal. She spoke on various issues. She had moved an amendment to bar religious instructions in the public funded schools. She was of a strong opinion that two houses in Parliament will not be a good solution in the Indian political setup. She strongly opposed reservation issue for women. We'll just see that on 18th of July 1947, when the issue regarding the reservation for women was going on, she said, "Sir, I would like to support this clause which has done away once and for all with reservation of seats for women, which we consider to be an impediment in our growth and an insult to our very intelligence and capacity." Unquote. So these were her strong views regards the reservation for women. She was awarded Padma Shri for her service in public affairs. We are thankful for her contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.